Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 14 and of course it's video number 14. It's a series of 45 videos that I'm walking you through the process of raising broilers from day 1 to day 45. There are altogether 304 broilers in here, and of course today, day 14, I'm going to give them vaccine, and the vaccine that I'm going to give them is gumbo. Gumbo vaccine is vaccination against gumboro disease or infectious bursal disease. Yes, they have to take it today. So I came in this morning and removed their drinkers, and I just allowed them feed. They have been feeding for more than 3 hours now and they have not had water. I did this so that when I bring the vaccine, I will be sure that all the birds are drinking. Yes, of course, because the vaccine will last just for 2 hours, and I have to make sure that all of them are very thirsty right now so that they will drink the vaccine. So I'm going to administer the vaccine now, and it's going to last for 2 hours, and then after 2 hours I'll come back and remove the vaccine. And even if there's still some vaccine in the drinkers, I will still have to remove, because it's going to be dangerous for them to continue to drink the vaccine. This is the vaccine, Gumbo L. So I'm going to give the vaccine now. It's 500 doses. You can see how it is. Look at it. So the rules of giving the vaccine is that you have to put the vaccine in water that is free of any chemical treatment. Yes, which means that the water should be natural without any treatment. If not, if there's any chemical in the water, any little drop of chemical in the water will render the vaccine very useless. So you have to make sure that water is of natural source without any chemical treatment. This water that I'm giving them right now is from a borehole, and of course it has not undergone any chemical treatment. Yes, it has not undergone any chemical treatment. It's natural. Of course, you have to open the vaccine only inside the water. Yes. Open the vaccine only inside the water. Remove this cap. If not, you have to open the vaccine only inside the water. If not, it will evaporate. So it should be inside the water. Say hand inside the water like this. And then you open the vaccine. It should remain only inside the water. You make it like this. Like this. See? If you open it outside, you will lose all the vaccine. You can see how they're fighting the vaccine. Of course, they've been tasty for a very long time. See? I'll come back in 2 hours time to change the vaccine. Okay guys, it's already close to 2 hours since I gave them the vaccine. You can see they have drank the vaccine. The remaining water in the drinkers I have to remove and throw it. When you remove the remaining water, you throw it away from the poultry house. So guys, I've changed their water, and of course after vaccination you have to give them vitamin, and of course I give my birds Amin Total after vaccination. Amin Total is actually the best for performance deficiency and stress. Yes, so after vaccination you have to give them some vitamins. Of course, I give them Amin Total, which is a balanced combination of amino acids, vitamin and trace elements. And of course, I have to change these other feeders. They are too big to use these ones now. And you can see they are spilling the feed on the floor each time they are using these ones now. So I need to change them and give them bigger feeders. They are mature enough to use the big feeders now. I need to change and give them all these ones the same feeders. They will not be spilling the feed on the floor, because each time they spill the feed on the floor, they will be forced to be picking it up again, which is not good. Look at this one. What's the problem? Okay. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Of course, if you're a poultry farmer or you are passionate about poultry farming and maybe you intend to start your own poultry business, this channel is the place for you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that anytime that I post a video, you of course see it in time. This is a series of 45 videos that I'm walking you through the process of raising broilers from day 1 to day 45. Of course, you see it practically how the birds are growing so that you will understand the business better.